Trains. I can help you with train times and fares. I can help you buy a ticket, or I can help if you're calling about an existing booking.
Fares.
Okay, which station will you be leaving from?
Singapore rice noodles.
Sorry, which station?
Roast duck.
And the station you're going to?
Vegetable spring roll.
Stoke-on-Trent to Dunstable, yes?
Yes.
Okay, what date will you be leaving?
Today.
At what time?
Next departure.
I'm sorry, what time?
Next departure.
So that's today on the next train. Did I get that right? Just say yes or no.
Yes.
All right. Do you want a return journey?
Yes.
What date would you like to return?
Tomorrow.
At what time? For example, leave at 6 in the morning.
6 in the morning.
So you want to return on Thursday, the 18th of June, leaving at 6 in the morning. Did I get that right? Just say...
Yes.
Okay, I've now got your outbound and return details. The availability of tickets and the price depend on who's travelling. If you want me to check fares for one adult with no rail cards, say continue. Otherwise, please wait and I'll ask for those details. Okay, first just tell me how many people will be travelling. For example, one adult and 2 children. I can check for...
One adult.
Any children?
No.
Okay, now if you'll be travelling with a rail card, tell me which type. Like young persons.
Prawn crackers.
Sorry, if you'll be travelling with a rail card, tell me which type. For example, young persons. Or say, I don't have one.
Egg fried rice.
So that's one adult, no children, and no rail card. Yes?
Yes.
Great. I'm now checking all the possible fares for your journey. Okay, I will now pass all your details to an agent to help you further. Please hold while I connect you to an agent.
Goodbye.